Optimizing the layout of production facilities requires fast, simple-to-use design tools which make it easy to understand the relationship of the building with the manufacturing equipment. You want to try lots of different layout options to quickly arrive at the best, most efficient solution, all within tight timelines. BricsCAD has partnered with QS Informatica to provide capability which allows you to do just that. Introduce 2D building plans and production equipment from whichever source, in whatever format you need. AI-powered automation tools make it quick and easy to create layout options, allowing you to try many different alternatives in a short timescale. And the comprehensive range of detailing features means you can communicate that layout downstream effectively. The unique single design platform enables you to design your facilities within the building model for the ultimate in speed and accuracy. Or you can combine the best of 2D and 3D working, which offers you the flexibility to lay out your facilities the way that suits you best.